What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out Ksp from solubility of a solid. The solid we have is M2X3, which is imaginary solid, M2X3. When it dissolves, it's going to produce 2M3 plus, based on the formula, plus 3X2 minus, both of them in aqueous phase. So Ksp will be M3 plus to the power of 2 times X2 minus to the power of 3. So when it dissolves, it's going to produce 2x, and here this one is going to be 3x. So Ksp will be 2x to the power of 2 times 3x to the power of 3. That's going to make it as 4x squared times 27 x to the power of 3. So when you simplify it, 4 times 27 is 108, x squared times x cubed is x to the power of 5. That's going to be equal to Ksp. So Ksp will be equal to 108 times x to the power of 5. How to find x? X is the solubility in terms of mole per liter. Do we have it? No, we have it in gram per mole, the molar mass, and we have the solubility in terms of gram per liter. In order to convert it to mole per liter, we need to divide this concentration by molar mass. So we're going to have 3.60 times 10 to the power of negative 7 divided by 288. That's going to make it as 1.25 times 10 to the power of negative 9 mole per liter. So that's the molar concentration. We sub it here, and when you simplify it, Ksp will be 3.3 times 10 to the power of negative 43. So that's the Ksp of M2X3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding solubility and other topics in chemistry, physics, and math. Thank you for watching and have a great day.